morning, boys and girls. Today we're working with Module 5, Lesson 2, Understanding Volume. Spark your learning. A toy company's engineers determined that the best way to package a number of cubes with a 1 unit length, into a single box is to stack them in the shape of a right rectangular prism, as we see there. How many different kinds of right rectangular prisms could this number of boxes be stacked in? So first we need to figure out how many are in this stack. What number are we working with? And it's kind of similar to yesterday's Spark Your Learning, but different at the same time. So let's find out how many boxes are here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember that volume is length times width times height. So we have a length of 4. How wide is it? Still 4. And the height is 3. So 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 3 is 48. How do I know that? Because 16 plus 16 makes 32, and 32 plus 16 makes 48. So we have 48 boxes. And yesterday we kind of just made arrays, and we kind of took the number and found out what two numbers multiplied together gives us this number. Today we're going to apply the formula for volume. We need 3 numbers that when multiplied together will give us 48. So we're looking at the number 48 and 3 numbers that will make it. Okay, so what 3 numbers? Here we have 4 times 4 times 3 made it. Let's think of some other ones. I mean, we don't have to come up with all the different varieties, but let's come up with a few. So what if we said 2 times 2, that's 4. 4 times anything make 48? Yeah, 4 times 12. So 2 times 2 is 4, and then we multiply by 12, we're going to get 48. And we could do a variety of this. We could say 2 by 12 by 2, okay? It would still look different. Let's think of something else that would be 3. So I know that here originally we got 3 times 16. So I'm going to break apart this 16 a little bit different. And I'm going to use 3. And 2 numbers that make 16 is 2 times 8. Here goes another option. Okay. What other options? I know that 2 times 24 makes 48. So maybe I can come up with another way of getting 24. It would be 2 times 4 times 6, right? 2, match. What makes 24? 4 times 6. So I just came up with a few different ways that we can multiply 3 numbers and get 48 and look different when we stack them. Okay, I hope this helps for today's lesson. Remember that volume equals length times width times height. We found the volume of this rectangular prism, and it was 48. And then it asked us to come up with different ways that these numbers of boxes could be stacked. And we came up with, I mean, these are pretty similar, but 1, 2, 3 different ways.